How to merge videos on TikTok. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets TikTok tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge multiple videos on TikTok. And if this video helps you, please consider subscribing to my channel and also giving this video a like because that really helps me out. All right, so to merge videos on TikTok, the first thing we need to do is simply open up the TikTok app on our iPhone or Android phone. And then once the TikTok app opens, simply select the plus button in the bottom of the app to create a TikTok. Once you select the plus button, it'll bring you to your camera here, and instead of using our camera, simply hit the image icon to the right of the camera button, right above story. Once you select that, it'll bring you to your camera roll where you'll be able to see your pictures and videos. From here, simply select multiple in the bottom left of TikTok, and then all you need to do is select the top right of the videos that you want to merge. So I'm going to select that one, and then this one. And you can select as many videos as you'd like. Once you've selected the videos you want to merge on TikTok, select next in the bottom right, and then it will start showing the videos. From here, select the trim icon, which is the third icon down on the right menu. And in here, we can trim down the videos, and you can see where the two videos are now combined. And if you need to trim them down, simply select the videos, and then you can just drag it to the left or right to minimize that video. You can also add additional videos by selecting the little plus symbol to the right. And then you can simply select other videos and add them to this TikTok. So now you can see I have 3 videos merged together on TikTok. Once you're done, select next in the top right. That will save it, and then you can post your merged videos to TikTok. All right, so that's how you merge videos on TikTok. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more TikTok tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.